How to create broadcast channel on Instagram. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram, enter your login credential as in your username and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this homepage. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have switched from your personal account to your business account. If you are on your personal account, then you won't be able to get the option. So once you have the personal account, what you want to do is swipe left and head over to your chat section of Instagram. Once you're in here, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner of the screen. It will land you on this page. Right here, below create a group chat, you'll also be able to see the option where it says create a broadcast channel. Well, if you couldn't find the option, you have to make sure that your application is up to date. In order to update, head over to your app store and then search for Instagram. After that, you can update the app. Once the application is up to date, the option will be visible to you. Once you have that option, all you want to do is click on it, and then you have to follow the on-screen process, and then your broadcast channel will be created successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.